Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be unboxing some things I bought today. I've already unboxed my Play-Doh. I've got this blue one with like nice teal colours in it. I'm trying to see if I can even open the tub. That's the stuff inside. This is really cool. It's like little blobs of lighter. I'm just going to blend it in a bit, guys, to show you. Like that. That's really cool. That's that Play-Doh. Pretty good one. Now we've got this pink with purple. It's like a really, really bright pink. I'm being a bit quieter than usual, guys, because we have Bentley inside. There it is. I don't really want to blend this one because it's so cool, but my dad's outside right now. There it is. I'm not blending this one that much. Because it looks really cool. Oh, and now you have this tube thingy. I think it's to poke holes. Now you have this green with black, a really dark green in it. It's more bright yellow, I think. Guys, this one's a bit harder. It's quite cool. Why is it putting water on top of the roof? And then we have my favourite. No, the blue was my favourite actually, guys. This is my second favourite. It's really bright orange or pink. I'm going to say it's orange with white in it. Yeah, really bright orange with white in it. Here's one of the white thingies. It's like just other colours of Play-Doh, I think. There's that one moose down there. It looks like a piece of meat on camera a bit. No, in real life it looks like a piece of meat. We're gonna do the tube with this one. Make a circle. There you go. And you sit around, see what colour it makes. I give the Play-Doh a A. Okay, next up we have painting. We can open this one nicely and not rip in bits. My kids have no life. last one, so you don't have to break the box. I still don't really understand this. They're tape on the side. Has a book. Glow-in-the-dark rock painting. Hi, don't disturb me, I'm doing a video. Just shows me a bunch of pictures. There's a unicorn! Yay, Mum! It comes with rocks, I don't have to get my own rocks. No, don't you dare say it doesn't come with a paintbrush, but it comes with rocks. Oh no, it comes with a paintbrush. You! Oh, paintbrushes fell out of the bottom. So we have blue, black, yellow, white, and then the glow-in-the-dark paint. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rocks. Okay, I think we might do this in another video, because this is going to take ages. Yeah, we have this glow-in-the-dark stuff as well, if I didn't mention that. Right, so yeah, that will be done in another video. Put that over there. Next, we have... What's this called, Mum? Spyro art. And it includes a 15-piece Spyro set, 3 blah 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 pens. And that's what it looks like on the front. And that's what it looks like. That piece. Has a book. Oh, is this what I could do my Spyro? Oh, this was what I could do with Spyro art in. Grr. I think this is where the Spyro art is. It was painted.
That one needs to be tidied up. I want to do an actual craft on that.
Yeah, I'm doing it now. Have a look at that downpipe.
Is that on purpose?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
I need to.
Mum, you're on camera, you know.
I need to get a bend and a
I'm
pipe
filming a
to run it down,
video.
go through that wall into the drain out there. So that's just a bit of downpipe gutter I had, which extends the water away from here.
Don't swear.
Why?
Because I'm filming a video.
We'll start again then.
Well, I can't really, can I? Because I've unboxed loads of things.
Well, yeah, but you can't have us arguing on there. It's not a very good
Don't
video,
argue
is it?
then. Not that hard to not argue with your wife. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. Wives are beloved beings who men should treat like love, because they are love. So we have this black, this white, and this thingy. I don't know what it's for. So we'll do that in another video as well. Peace. Hope you enjoyed.